Hi student, today we will be going to do about Form 4 Science Revision Chapter 2 Part 2 in this video. So let's us continue with the question. Diagram 1 shows a man saving a drowning victim. What is the emergency help given to the person? So basically the person, we can see he's not breathing. So we want to do CPR, correct or not? Because we want to breathe in, because when we blow, it still got oxygen. So when we blow, the person, at least there's oxygen in the lung, and we want to press, because the heart already stopped beating. So we want to press and make sure that the blood still continue to flow through the body, even though it's just a little bit, but at least their oxygen go to the brain. So we will continue to do CPR until the ambulance arrive, because if we stop, there's no oxygen in the brain, probably a few more minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, the brain cell will die. So you want to continue to pump in oxygen to the brain, breathe in oxygen, pump the heart so that there's oxygen go into the brain. So the answer will be CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, so yeah. Oops, sorry. Okay, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. Moving on, B. State two important techniques in the emergency help that you have stated in 2A to save the victim. What are the two important techniques in CPR? So the first technique is we want to do a chest compression. We want to push on the chest, and we want to do a mouth-to-mouth breathing. Okay, so chest compression and mouth-to-mouth breathing. Okay, these two parts in the CPR. Moving on to the next question. After receiving the emergency help, the victim shows sign of conscious. Conscious means he start to open the eye, he able to like, before you do CPR, the first thing is you want to touch the person, hello, hello, are you awake? Means the person is conscious. Not simply we go there and then we do the CPR, okay? We need to like, hello, are you there? Are you still there? Until the person cannot respond, there is no breathing, only you do CPR, okay? So after reversing the emergency, it shows conscious, means the person already start to breathe. When the person start to breathe, you don't do CPR, okay? It's very awkward and it's very weird, okay? Maybe because it's a pretty girl, so you, even though wake up, then you continue to do CPR. After the emergency, the victim show what should you do? We should place the victim body on his side, okay? So let's write this down. Okay, place the victim body on his side. We want to let the person be in a comfortable position, okay? Place the victim body on his side. By using number 1 to 4, complete the table 2 to show the correct procedure for performing the Heimlich maneuver. Okay, means Heimlich maneuver when we want to do it. So Heimlich maneuver is something that when the person get choked, okay, choked with the food they eat, so we want to go behind the person and we want to press it on the stomach so that the person won't be, I mean the person can breathe lah, the person can breathe. So the number 1 side that we want to do is we want to okay, we want to stand behind the victim slightly and bend the victim forward. So this will be the number 1. So let me press my pen. Number 1. Number 2 will be wrap your hand and around the victim from behind. Number 3 is pick a fist, okay? Position your fist properly. And number 4, with a quick up thrust, press hard. So basically, if you forget, I mean, the first step you need to do is you want to stand behind the person. So I just highlight the key point. You want to stand behind. After stand behind, put your arm around him. Okay, you want to like hug the person, correct? Or not? Hug the person. Make a fist with your hand. Position your fist properly. Usually there's a way lah. You want to measure it properly, like a fist. And after that, we want to push it upward. Okay, you need to go to YouTube lah to learn this. And this thing is very important because you never know. By learning this thing, you actually save life. So for this video until here, I will see you on the next video.